center of gravity shifted, she can squirrel all around like that on the roadway.
Low to the ground. Hit that button under that red button right there on the dash.
Button under?
Over here, right there. Right there. Nope, right down. Hit that one. Up, back up. That one. Alright.
Oh, the button under the emergency flashers. Oh, okay.
Well, the button under the red button.
There's red. That's color red. See,
Well, that ain't no button.
But that's how my mind works. It's that autism. Confusion.
We got us a mini blizzard.
Look, you can't see the fire plug for the snow.
Yeah.
It's pretty deep. That's what? That's a good 10 inches right there.
Oh yeah.
I'd say.
Hit that wiper blade for me once. Now.
Oh, ain't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, it gives you a whole new lease on life.
Yeah, it will. Man, shoveling this damn sidewalk. What the hell? Who's gonna be coming on this sidewalk?
Maybe Jehovah's Witnesses are coming by. That's a Jeep I was telling you about right there. I love that truck. It's not a 4,000.
Somebody tore up the mailboxes and stuff. You see that?
Oh, there's a pediddle.
Yeah. Get that blade again. I told my man, my pap, I was going to the mountain to trap and be a mountain man. Acted like they were good shot. They said, son, let your life go here. Here is where the people is. Said, mother do you? The Rocky Mountains is the marrow of the world. By God, I was right.
Now, I never did figure out whether his last name is Q or Goo.
Q-U-E.
See, it looked like a G on the credits of the movie.
It might be. Yeah. G-U.
G-U-E?
The town of Clover, South Carolina. Bible Belt. We're down here in the southern part, and we were snowed in on February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, 2014. Bon Iver, John.
Bon Iver. Let's thank Mr. Obama.
Look at that little sled over there. Ain't that cute?
Yes, it is. Let's thank Mr. Obama for giving us a state of emergency. Probably get some help.
These people said, you dumbass, go on out there. I'm gonna go.
And Governor Haley wants us to have open carry with no permits.
Permit, be like the Wild West days.
Thank you, Governor Haley. We're doing all right down here. It's God, guns, guts, and glory for us.
Yes, sir. We shoot first, and then ask questions, and if you ain't armed, you will be by the time the authorities get there.
Bilo's open.
Bilo's open.
Doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I know my boy had to go to work today.
Really?
Oh, yeah. They wouldn't close the store, son. I'm telling you what, I work for them. You could have a nuclear holocaust in the offing, and you just stay there. Well,
look at these people in the middle of the road. Don't they know this is adverse conditions? I may slide and knock one of them down.
It's too hard to walk in that deep snow.
Well, bless
it's easier
their
to
heart.
get run over.
Bless their heart.
This is pretty good right here.
Yeah. Hit that blade. And John is from Fairmont, West Virginia, which is up in the mountains. It gets a lot of snow, and he ran off the road in his pickup truck.
It sure did.
You done got too southern-fied, I guess.
I'm ashamed of it. I'm feeling extreme amounts of shame right now.
You need to say 3 Hail Marys and have a shot of Jack.
Oh, speaking of which, I drank half that product.
You kidding me already? Already? When, this morning?
No, last night. Over the evening, I had got some orange juice, and it just kept mixing. It just tasted like
orange juice with shine.
It just tasted like vodka and orange juice.
Really?
I don't know what he used for mash. It's got an odd smell to it, but it tastes good. You smell it when you get a chance. It smells like a burlap sack, but it tastes good.
I ain't smelled it.
You might have filtered it through some old
It might open my sinuses up. That CPAP machine done got me stuffy. It's like a new woman, takes some getting used to. You know, what's a hurricane and a blonde got in common?
They'll both go down on you. I don't know what.
In the beginning, there's a lot of sucking and blowing and noise and commotion, but when it's all over, you lose your house.
Look.
Bless her heart.
Granny comes, better get in that house.
Bless her heart. Hit them blades.
Cool. Oh, ride him, cowboy. Whoa.
All right, don't you run into me.
Oh, that looks like a Jeep. Shall be four-wheel
That don't
drive.
mean it's four-wheel drive.
No, but
That damn thing coming yonder ain't.
why would you buy a vehicle like a Jeep if it wasn't four-wheel drive? That'd be just a waste of money.
That thing there better not hit me. That's a front-wheel drive.
Yes, it is.
Now, where do they think they're going?
And right over there. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Straighten them wheels out. You ain't going nowhere. Rocket. Reverse. Drive.
They'll stand still. I'll go around them.
I rocked mine several hundred feet this morning till I finally got in the ditch.
He's coming towards me.
Yeah, but he's getting out of it now. He's
No,
got
he
his
ain't
wheels
either.
turned. That's why he ain't going nowhere. Of course, that's easy from here to say.
If he'll stop, I'll go around him.
Atta boy, get you some traction now. Get off that gas pedal.
I'm scared he's gonna hit me.
Well, he's probably scared of it too.
Give him the high sign. Hold it. Flatlander. There's another one stuck down yonder.
Oh, they'll never get off that hill. They might as well go ahead and park it.
I went around
Back
people
down.
like that. And they get
Back
mad because
down
I
to the
won't
bottom.
stop and help them. Fact is, they ain't got no business out here in the first place. Neither do we. Where'd that go?
Might ought to close that door.
Yes, sir. I'll close it for you. Ain't nobody in it.
Maybe they's under it.
Oh, Captain.
Back her down, cousin. Back her down.
Slap her down again, Paul. Slap her down again. Make her tell us more, Paul. Tell us where she's been. We don't want the neighbors talking about our kin. Slap her down again, Paul. Slap her down again. Hit them blades there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeehaw! Maybe not.
Oh yeah, we'll make it. I need another cup of coffee. I got some down here at the office. Hello.
If I had a couple of gals that size to throw in the back of the truck this morning, I believe we could have made it. I throwed Honey Boo Boo in there, that'd have been a good 600 pounds. Tires would have squatted in.
Yeah, you don't not talk like that. Hit your blades. That van there was stuck. And they just left it right there.
I never dreamed he'd bring her down in here this far. I thought we'd leave it at the top and walk down.
I'm gonna park it right here in front of this building.
It's liable to slide right off that hill if you go around there and
I
park it.
come up that hill. All right, let's go get some coffee.